Welcome to my kitchen. So I've never filmed anything outside of my office, and of course King is gonna be a jerk because that's what he does in my videos. Hang on. So I figured I would film this down here because I'm gonna decorate it more down here with the things that I'm gonna open up and show you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So Decocrated is a box that my client told me about last week, and I had to have it. I don't know. I'm not very good at decorating my house, and I struggle with putting things together and buying things at Home Goods, and I feel like I just throw a bunch of crap around my house and none of it goes together, and I just need some help. So she told me about this box, and basically as I took it, it's basically like Home Goods sends a box to your house with like 6 to 8 items, and that's it without me going to the store. So it's seasonal. There's 4 boxes a year. You get one for every season, and it's $80 per season. So, and your first one is half off. So I bought this box last week. It came super fast. It was only $40, and this is the winter box. All right, let's dive in. So everything was packaged so nicely, and everything was in an individual box. So I actually unpackaged everything because it was gonna be a lot harder to show you if I was opening every single box. So it had this little envelope in here that had this little booklet for Decocrated, and then it came with this little insert. So it has 2 different sides to it. And what you do is you put this in a frame. So you take a frame that looks like this. So it's got a little hook on the top, or like a little, whatever it's called. And you can pick whichever side of this you want and put it in the frame. So I had this frame already. I believe that boxes ago, they added a frame like this in. So then every time you get one of these little guys, you can put it in there. But I had one by myself, so. So I'm just gonna leave this right here. Super cute. So in the little booklet, it has styling tips for each of the things that are gonna come in your box. So, and then it tells their story, the artist of the month, and then it also has this page where it shows you like the colors of this month and what's included in your box and like the key pieces. Stop. Oh my. Okay, so the booklet basically tells you all about the pieces and gives you some ideas of what to do with the pieces and what goes together and what they're made for. So the last thing in here is a refer a friend program. It does say that I can like send a 10% off, but that program is actually being worked on right now. So, so if you go on the website, you'll get half off your first box. And then I believe there's a 10% off coupon code that shows up on the website that you can use on your future boxes. Okay, first things first. This guy is so cute. So this is like a wooden little decor thing. It's got a warm and comfy little hat on the back, and then on the front it has, there may be no thing greater than a life well loved. So, and that can go for the winter or for all year round. So I like that their things have dual purposes. So that's super, super cute. And it's like well made, like it's a nice, well made thing. Second up, so this is something I would never buy myself, but I would love it on my wall. So this is one of those little envelope holder, like mail holders. So it's got the 2 prongs on the back on each side to hang on the wall. And I've seen a lot of girls actually put flowers in here, or they put mail in there. So I believe I would put flowers or like greenery or something and make that a little statement on the wall. So, and it's metal. So it is very, very nice. All right, next thing up. So I guess every box you get a pillowcase. So if you have pillows laying around that you don't like anymore, you can always throw a case on it and make it into a new pillow. So, and they're pretty large as well. So this one says, get cozy with it, fa la 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 la. like the song. So, and then you can also put it on the back, which is just red. So flip it around and you can use it whenever, wherever. So I do like that one. Super cute. All right, so next up is a blanket, a throw blanket. This one's like a nice olive green and it's super soft and it can go anywhere, on a chair, on a couch, on a wherever. Super cute. Who doesn't love a blanket? All right. Next up is the tags. So these tags, I feel like are more for Christmas. Like you can use them as ornaments and or on presents. That one says peace and this one's like a little snowflake. This one says joy and this one's got like a little gift on it. So I did see them as ornaments. They were super cute on the tree. And then I also saw some people, to make them for Valentine's Day, they put a little heart sticker on the side here that didn't have anything. So you can make them for other occasions as well. All right, so these two are my favorite. So these little guys came together. I think you can see them on my placemat. So these are 3 little ceramic trees and I love them. So I thought they would be kind of plasticky and not very like nice, but they're heavy and they're ceramic and they're painted so cute. So these can go together separately around the house, on a little tray or wherever you want. So super, super cute. I think you guys can see that. All right, last but not least, this is my absolute favorite item of the box. So this one is a tray. So this tray is probably gonna go in my kitchen with these little trees on them. And the tray can be used for anything. So you can have breakfast in bed, put it on a coffee table, put it in your kitchen. This design on here, I don't know if you guys can see that all the way. It's actually metal. So you can also prop this up like in a corner and put magnets on here and put like lists or pictures or whatever you like to put on a fridge or magnet. So it's pretty nice, it's magnetic. So dual purposes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna actually show you guys some pictures and stuff of what I'm gonna do with these. I'm quite excited about them. So I don't know, I like that it came to my house. I didn't have to go shopping. I feel like I saved money because I spend way too much at Home Goods. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to put these around my house and put some clips of what I'm doing with them. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to put the link at the bottom here. And I don't have a code for you or anything like that. So I just really like this box and you should go get one. So thank you guys.